Here's how to add footnotes in Obsidian. To create a footnote reference in your text, type an opening square bracket, a caret symbol, and a unique identifier, for example, the number 1, then close the bracket. This is your footnote marker. Now press Enter twice to create at least one line break after your last paragraph. This is required for footnotes to work. Then open a square bracket again, type the caret and the same identifier, add a colon, and type your footnote text. For example, open bracket, caret, 1, colon, then your note. Switch to preview mode and you will see the footnote number as a clickable link that jumps to your footnote at the bottom of the note with a back button to return to where you were. For a faster workflow, check out the Footnote Shortcuts plugin in Community Plugins. It lets you insert footnotes instantly without typing all the markup manually. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on step-by-click.